The family of 17-year-old Monique Robinson from Crasbrook District in St. Elizabeth is this evening making a heartfelt appeal for her safe return. Robinson, who used to attend a community college in the parish, has been missing since November 2024. The teen was last seen at home. Her father, Everald Robinson, is pleading for her to return or at least make contact with her parents.
I just want, if she hear me or see me on the TV, and I'm making an appeal for her to come home.
So she always be a troubled child at home?
No, she never be a troubled child at home. She always be manageable, friendly, and nice. So it kind of puzzled me.
Anyone with information on her whereabouts is being urged to contact her father at 876-288-8881 or report any sightings to the nearest police station.